In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the VWAP indicator in TradeStation. So, although I can show you directly the entire process because I don't have an access through TradeStation. So, assumingly, we have an access to that. So, first, make sure you open the official website of TradeStation and then log in to the TradeStation and open the chart of the asset you want to analyze. So ensure the chart is set to an intraday time frame, for example 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes, as VWAP is primarily used for intraday trading. So to add the VWAP indicator, click on the studies at the top of the chart and then select add study and type VWAP in the search bar. So click on VWAP or volume weight average price and then select OK to apply it to your chart. And after that, to customize VWAP settings, it's optional. So you can right click on the VWAP indicator and select edit study and then adjust color line thickness or session settings based on your preferences. And then some traders also add VWAP standard deviation bands for additional insights. So that's it. That's how to set up VWAP indicator in TradeStation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.